Hey guys, hope that you're having a great day. My name is Britt and I'm the vegan food blogger behind the Banana Diaries, and today we're making an entirely vegan, dairy-free homemade ice cream cake recipe. It is so much fun to make, so I know that you're just going to love it. Let's go. I'm not going to be showing you the cake baking process because it's actually using my vegan chocolate cake recipe, which I've linked above, but I am showing you my trick for the best homemade ice cream layers. You'll start by actually freezing ice cream in a casserole dish, then using the bottom of the cake pan to trace the ice cream cake layer. Now what this does is provide an even and easy ice cream layer for our ice cream cake, as opposed to melty and hard to stack layers that will leave our cakes on the ground. Another trick is actually doweling the cake before sticking it back into the freezer. I should mention that this cake should be made across 2 days. The first day is baking the cake and freezing the ice cream in a casserole dish. The second day is assembling. This just makes the ice cream cake process so much easier, and you'll love how your layers of ice cream come out in the cake. The difference here with other ice cream cake recipes is that you're actually working with frozen ice cream as opposed to softened ice cream. Once you've frozen the ice cream cake for at least 45 minutes, you'll make the vegan buttercream. This is just my standard vegan buttercream recipe of vegan butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. I also gave an option for chocolate buttercream in the recipe post, so be sure to check out the link in the description box for details. Frosting the cake, I recommend creating a crumb coat layer first, then applying the final layer after the crumb coat has set in the freezer. This will make sure that you have another layer of insulation to keep the ice cream from melting as you decorate. If you're worried about the cakes being dry, don't be. They should still be good to go even in the freezer for just an hour, but you can also use a simple syrup, which I've linked down below in the description box, to keep them moist. Once you've frozen the final icing layer, we can decorate. I used vegan gluten-free ice cream cones and saved some buttercream for piping decorations. I also added my vegan ganache as a chocolate drip and used vegan sprinkles from Sweet Plata to decorate. Now for serving, I recommend keeping this ice cream cake in the freezer until 1 hour before you're ready to serve. Then the hour before you're ready to serve, transfer the cake to the fridge to slowly thaw before serving, then slice and enjoy. The full written instructions are found in the recipe post linked in the description box. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more recipes every week. Enjoy!